All right, welcome back. We are on lesson 3, the circuit playground, level 5, and this is about events and sound. So look at the code with a partner and discuss what you think it will do. Once you have answered the question, click Run to see the program's result. Make sure your circuit playground is plugged in. Now remember, if you click Run, well, okay, you can't click it yet because it's gray, but you have to put your answer in here and sort of lock in your answer before you can start to play around. So let's look at the code and try and see what we think is going to happen. So it says on event low button click buzzer dot frequency 200 comma 500. So the low button would be this one right here. And so it tells us that something is going to buzz and the frequency is going to be 200 comma 500. Mid button, so on event mid button click. So when we click on the mid button, the buzzer frequency is going to be 500 and 500. So this is the same, but these are different, which is interesting. Line 7 on event high button, click buzzer dot frequency 800 dot or comma 500. So we're going from 200 to 500 to 800. Now, I'm thinking that that's going to be, let's see. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go to Canvas. Do we see buzzer in here yet? Nope. Okay, so they're not showing us that. We gotta guess here. I think that that's going to be a pitch. So maybe lower and higher. So that's what I'm going to put. I think the buttons will change the pitch as we move from button to button. All right, going to lock in my answer by pressing the run button. And here we go. Let's test it out. All right, I don't think you can hear it, but it's kind of, a little half second buzz. Let's go to mid. Yep. Okay, so it's still that half second buzz, but it's higher pitch. And then last but not least, yep. Yep. All right. So this is the highest pitch. So low pitch, medium pitch, high pitch. All the same length of buzz, which must be this one over here. But this is the level of the buzzer. All right, so now that we're done with that, we're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 6. Here we go.